Well, I I was stuck and infuriated of a specific thing, a software I use very frequently, and I don't have the capability to correct it. So I ask for help, and to my good fortune, I get the help very promptly. Some courageous people replied back to me with some solution which works perfectly for me. To decipher what I have said to you, I use a tool called iptraf-ng, which is basically, as the name suggests, uh, give analysis and all this stuff related to IP traffic. Okay, what is going through your system? It's a very popular tool and it's been existed for ages. But the color scheme are horrendous, almost unreadable. That was not the purpose of this software. This software is bloody good, exceedingly well, but the only blemish is the damn color system, which is horrendous. Let me give you an example. What is that? I believe I'm zoomed in up so people can iptraf ng. Okay, and sorry, okay, you see the color scheme? Amazing, right? It's very glaring and almost unreadable. This is the default color scheme of iptraf. I've been using this software for quite some time. I don't know, due to my terminal color, because of I use solarized dark, and it is behave like this. Okay, so I was little concerned that I won't be able to use this particular piece of software, the color scheme terminal I'm using suckless ST terminal patched by me for my requirement, and solarized dark is the color scheme of my terminal. So this software render color like this, which is quite unreadable and unusable. Okay, so I couldn't figure it out how I could fix this. Okay, due to my lack of understanding, or so I promptly asked for help online, and some wise person responded back with the solution. This is the beauty of using open source system, a good side of it. Okay, so here is the response I got. You see, I said I'm on Gen 2, and the file he mentioned at top using some binary file in Gen 2, so there is no way to change it. So I said that, how do I integrate the solarized color scheme? You can see my terminal behind it, which is solarized dark, right? So, and I don't know how to change it. Now this Kingsley person come back with very practical and to the point precise information. There are two files, cursors.h and dexman.c. This has to be changed and recompiled. That could have been done like many other product. So, but he wrote a simple shell script wrapper. This is this, and the outcome result is this, which is what I wanted. Perfect solution, okay, for this trivial maneuver. So to show you that, like, see, perfectly visible, right? Now if I do so, it's very much integrated with the color. A simple 3-4 line bash script or shell script, it will improve the readability a lot. Okay, so beautiful. So this is a boon of using open source Okay, there are other side, but this is a quick response I got. So that is why I'm so inclined to share this video with you people, that if you do the right thing or right place, the using of open source, you got one very clear thing. You need to know where you should go and tell people what you need. There are many distractions. There are many deviated ways. If you fall in that trap, your misery will go on and on and on. So I learned this stuff by doing hell lot of mistakes. So you need to spend a little bit of time to research where exactly it is coming from, how I should approach it. In every single open source project you are using your day-to-day basis, you should know the bottom of it. Otherwise, the misery will never go away. It will enhance it if you ignore it. So this little video is a reminder of all of you who are sitting on an open system and get stuck and wanted to. I'm not saying the response will be this quick. Sometimes it takes days and week, even month, depend on the complexity and all this stuff. So you have to have the patience to deal with it. If you don't have the capacity or inclination to fix it by yourself, you have to have patience, otherwise the chances will be dim. I hope it will give you some sort of heads up. Thanks for watching.